Hi, I'm Armando Fox, and I am really excited to guide you on this journey into engineering software as a service. Back when I worked at Intel, a colleague and I were working really hard to understand how a complex piece of software worked. And I remember him saying, "Don't worry, it's not magic, it's just software." But the thing is, software is almost like magic. We think about what we want the computer to do, and then we can make it do those things. And in the last 2 decades, cloud computing, software as a service, service-oriented architecture, and the explosion of mobile apps have transformed the way that we write software. The tools are better than ever, and the opportunity for a small team of developers to have a major impact on millions of people is greater than it's ever been. That's why Turing Award winner David Patterson and I developed this course in 2012 to bring modern, agile software engineering techniques to Berkeley students. So, who is this course for? Maybe you're here to learn to code. In that case, this may not be the best course for you. We expect that you'll have experience in one modern object-oriented language, such as Java or Python, and that terms such as encapsulation and inheritance, functional programming, or phrases such as class versus instance variables, interface versus implementation should sound familiar to you. We don't expect you to have any experience with HTML, web programming, or databases, though if you do, you may be able to skip a few of the recommended review assignments. Because software engineering is more than coding, it's working with a team, producing code that's not only correct and useful, but beautiful and maintainable by others. So in this course, you'll learn how to use the same tools and techniques the professionals use to create software as a service, the most widely deployed kind of software today. Or maybe you're here to learn a particular framework, like Rails for writing cloud apps or Android for writing mobile apps. Although we will use some frameworks, the world of software moves really quickly, and the most valuable software engineers are those who can learn new languages and frameworks and evaluate which ones are the best choice for a given task. So, while we won't focus on any particular framework in depth, you will learn how to approach new languages and frameworks so you can become productive in them quickly. If you're here to learn to pick up new languages and frameworks quickly by looking at the big picture and leveraging what you know from other languages, if you're here to learn how to work as part of a team to start adding value quickly, whether you're contributing to a large existing software project or starting a new one from scratch, if you're here to learn how to write code that, because it is clear and maintainable, will enjoy a long, useful life solving real problems for real customers, and if you want to learn how to do all of this using the same cloud computing facilities, tools, and techniques that professionals use, then you're definitely in the right place. And we look forward to helping you develop the skills for software engineering, the profession that can change the world. Thank you for joining us, and good luck in the course.